Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to reset your Maytag refrigerator if it's acting up or not cooling properly. This is a simple trick you can try at home without needing a professional. What you want to do is power the unit down completely. You can do this by either switching off the circuit breaker connected to the fridge or simply unplugging the refrigerator from the wall. Once it's off, give it about 5 to 10 minutes. This pause allows the electronic system to fully reset and clears any small glitches that may be affecting the cooling or control panel functions. After the wait, power the unit back on. Turn on the circuit breaker again or plug the fridge back in. At this point, make sure the cooling function is turned on. You'll also want to test the control panel to ensure everything is responding correctly. This basic power cycle often resolves most minor issues with the refrigerator. Now, if your Maytag fridge is having an ice buildup problem, you'll need to do a bit more. The best way to handle this is to let the refrigerator completely defrost overnight. This will melt any ice blocking the proper flow of cold air and allow the fridge to cool efficiently again. Once it's fully defrosted, you can turn it back on and check if the temperature is back to normal. And that's basically it. A simple reset like this can fix common issues with your Maytag refrigerator and get it running smoothly again. Check that the cooling function is on, and if ice buildup is the problem, give it enough time to defrost fully. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy appliance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Happy Maytag using.